A very warm and pleasant evening to one all persons over here. I am Shamya and I currently a grade of 7. Today I am standing beside all of you to give a presentation on the topic of crime against women. As we know that in India's crime increased day by day. In India, Dr. Momita, she has raped in August 2024, and police investigate and arrest that criminal and against the rape. And in India, against the women. Crime is increased, and they want to our attention. That's all for today, and thank you.
Good morning everyone, it's a pleasure to be here with you today. I am Rishika from class 7th and here to talk to you about very critical topic, crime against women. Today women are not safe in our day-to-day life. Many cases of female infanticide, workplace sexual harassment come to here. So they protest to. Thank you.
A very warm, pleasant morning to one and all present of here. This is Ananya of Standard 7, currently studying in CBSE Competitive School. Today I am here. A very warm, pleasant morning to one and all present of here. This is Ananya of Standard 7, currently studying in CBSE Competitive School. Today I am here to talk about on the critical something topic of crime against women. As we know that today's generation is better than previous generation because all girls and women is not safe, but previous generation is all girls and women is safe. That's a fault today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of your respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Arusi, Standard 7 from CBSE Competitive School. Today I am here processing demand our attention on the topic of crime against women. As we know that previous generation the girls and women are very safe, but also generation of girls and women are not safe because all previous generation boys and women are safe, respect the girls, but today's generation is women are not safe, not respect the girls. Girls' life is not easy, but for example, family pressures, study, teaching, public studies. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant good evening to all one present here. I am Mursida from Standard 7. Today I want to talk about something that crimes against women. That also protects the crime. Crime are communicated against women. Thank you.
First of all, good morning to all of you, my respected teachers, principal and all dear my friends. My name is Navya Keshri. I am reading class 7. Today my topic is crime against women. The women protest against and the crimes of that are the communicated and women against the.
Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. Let me thank you for all coming here today. I am Anjali from Standard 7th and currently study in CBSE Competitive School. Today our topic is crimes against women. In India, crime increase day by day. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. I am Priti Kumari from class 7. Today my topic is crime is against women. Sir nahi aate.
Good morning to everyone, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. I am Pranjal from Standard 7. Today I am excited to share my insights on crime against women. The women also protect against the crime that are communicated against women. The women broken stereotypes entered man's dominated field. The women movement is a quite struggle to equal right. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, teachers, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Shreya from Standard 7. I am here to present my topic of speech is women again crimes against two women. Women also protect the crime against communicated by women. Okay.
Good morning everyone, my name is Durga Patel from S1 class 7. My topic name is crime against women. The women also are protected the crimes against communicated women because the stereotypes and the women struggles. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Abhishek from grade 7. Today I am here to give a perception on the topic crime against women. First of all, know what is crime. Crime is a word that is taken humans and there's many there is many crimes against women, especially women. Because of that, take an example of Kolkata cases and also illiteracy and discrimination is the also crime happen in society. Illiteracy means in ancient times women have only place that women have don't study in don't study in higher educations, and the main study higher educations, and take the illiteracy and discrimination. Society says that women are not powerful. Women are weak. Men are powerful, and women are powerful. No, that is right. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. This is Durgesh from grade 7, and today I have got to chance share my thought on the topic of crime against to the women. Women are not safe in our country. Women are very weak and not powerful. So some criminals disturb them and do. Thank you.
First of all, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends, myself Nakshraj from class 7th. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of crime against women. The crime against women, the woman is kill him.
First of all, a very good morning to all present here. This is MD Saif Ali. I am here to speak on the topic of the women kill against. The humans kill about the warrior in beauty. They are the humans on the crime to Mumbai, and they are much to Mumbai is a doctor. We could expect. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals, and all my dear friends. My name is Aryan Kumar. I read in 7th class. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of crime against women. The crime against women, he cuts 12 pieces in the fridge. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introducing myself. My name is Susanta and I grade in class 7th. Today my topic is discussion about crime against to human. Let's now stop. Crime against to human. That one case now go. Once time a boyfriend and girlfriend in Delhi, that's very reason to war, and boyfriend is kill his girlfriend and cut 15 piece and keep in the fridge, and daily night to one piece keep in the jungle, and police are information, and thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you. Myself Ritesh from class 7th, and today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of crime against women. With the development of the human beings, we can clearly see that the crime is boosted by humans. In this time, we can see every day a new crime will come, and the most crime will on the woman. Many people don't give women freedom to go anywhere. He say that only stay at home. The women cannot live their life properly due to these reasons. That's all. Thank you.
A lovely good morning to all of present here. This is Ayush, grade 7, standing here to front of you deliver a morning speech on the topic of crime against to the women. We see our surrounding. The crime rate are boosted by the all human beings. The women do crime on the ladies. After a old period, women have not a permission to go anywhere. Become a married, the husband beat her wife. We also think that all ladies are our mother and sister. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Nitish Yadav from class 7th. Today my topic is crime human against. This topic is very important because the human cannot properly read and write to the crime against human. The human are so against. So the crime against human. So the human are not properly read and write in the very times. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Himanshu from class 7. Today I here to take about on some lines on the crime against women. In our new generation, this is very important for all of you because there are many crimes become to women is got popular. For some money, people kidnapped the women and sold him to anywhere. So this is very wrong about from women. So we want to stop this scene. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vidyesh Raj and I am a student of class 7. Today I am present here to deliver a speech on the topic of crime against women. In ancient time, woman is very weak and woman has not power of anything. There are many crime against women, like Sati Pratha, in which dead of husband of woman, then woman and his husband burnt with them. In today's time, they are. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Subham Kumar Gupta, Standard 7. Today I want to talk about crime against women. Crime against women, a daily life to use crime against move. It's example of New Delhi. Girls are crime to the from boys, and Kolkata nurse was defeated by the human. Crime against women. That's a thank you.
Good morning all of you, respected principal, teacher, all my dear friends. As we know that I am Pankaj Pal from class 7. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of crime against women. We see clearly a crime boosted by the women. Ancient time women packed in not to go out on home. We pack in the home just like a parrot packed in a pigeon. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Today my topic is crime against to women. Ancient time, crime was more because people, human beings are crime to women. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Teacher, respect all my dear friends. I reading class 7. My name is Yadik Ma. And this topic name is crime to again, and the human. With the development, we are realizing that the crime to again human. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. Myself Aditya Sani from class 7. Today I am delivered to speech on the topic of crime against women. With the development she kill women. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Anikesh Kumar from class 7. Today I am deliver a short speech on the topic of the crime on the women. The old generation men crime on the women like Kolkata, and old generation women crime on the remove like man called Raja Ram Mohan Rao, Swami Vivekanand and other saints. He removed the crime on the human. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. Myself Sri Prakash Sharma, standard 7, here to short speech on the topic of the criminal of the again the woman with the depend of the woman of the Delhi and after old generation on the women Kolkata. Thank you. A very warm and present here today to good afternoon to one and all present here, respected teacher, principals and all my dear friends. My name is Kundan Kumar from standard 6. Today I want to discuss about crimes against women. The women are respected in men's are not. That's a thank you. Have a nice day.
Only one present all. Good morning to all of you. Myself Ayush Kumar from class 7. Today I am here to discuss my topic. My topic is crime against women. First, in their doctor that his name is Monica. He is living in Kolkata. He's going in duty. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Nawab Ansari. I am reading class 7. Today I deliver a short speech of the topic of crime of women. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jayat Kuresi. I am reading class 7. Today I am deliver a short speech on the topic of the crime of women. The crime of women is Sanayad. Thank you.
First of all, a very lovely and pleasant evening to morning to one and all present here. Myself, Aro of grade 7th. Today, it is a truly an honor to stand before you on account. There is a many topic which are the crime against the women. Firstly, we know that what is a crime. Crime means in Hindi we can say that attachar. In our society, there are many crimes against the women. Many people try to out him, but they were not success. We can take an example in history. Then Sati Pratha is the one of the most example of the crime against women. In Sati Pratha, the
people whose husband is died, then also and responsible to women were also died. In 2024, second example, in 2024 in Kolkata, Dr. Momita were also some people group and die. In politics, there are 33 mix 1/3 seats are reserved for women in election. We can out crime against by the on women by the following. First, we can say the Pradhan, the country, our Prime Minister, Pradhan Mantri started a yojana named Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. We can do a Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. There are also a crime, it's out by crime against the women. Second, we can study more the women. There were in history their women have children marriage. There was no in 10 to 14 years the people do marriage. They were not give a chance to study. If we give a chance to study a woman, they can make a future of our country. That's all. Thank you for today.
अरे रोल नंबर बोलो। अरे उससे पहले किसका है? कितना है? उससे पहले किसका है? कितना है? 17 जाओ 17.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rachit Kumar from class 7. Today I stand here to front about the crime against women. We should do crime means it. Hindi means atyachar. Many people out. This system in India. Thank you.
First of all, a very lovely good morning, all of you, principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Shubham Kumar Gupta, standard 6, standard 7, and my topic name is the crime of women. The crime are women are death is Patna. First crime of Patna are greatest murder in husband of wife. Second murder are Kolkata for nurse in doctor Kolkata nurse of. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher, all my dear friends. My name is Asukra. I grade in 7th. This is the topic is the woman in the also. The women is the unsafety in boy and the people. The women is the rape and the case in the Kolkata and the women. The example so in this Jaipur is the 1 lakh people in the 32 rape and cases is the murder, and to the Kolkata case is the nurse and the nurse rape and the woman. The woman is the believe this the something and time the stick not in the house and generation is the also good note. The woman is the not possible and the person is the doing and after something about the woman is the very. So thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all dear. My name is Vinu Kumar, standard 7. Today is my topic of crime against women. The woman is a possible married, may be also in the progress to life in the woman is the very possible, and thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Satyam, is class 7. Today my topic is crime in humans. Crime in humans. In the old times, women get various types of crimes like sati pratha, rape case. Crimes on humans are the big problem of around the earth. Thanks.
First of all, very good morning to all of you. My name is Satyam Patel. I read in class 7th on the topic of crime against women.
Good morning, all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Bhav Patel. I am in class 7. My topic is a crime on the woman. With review, we shall see that the crime get after the generation on the crime woman. This is the Kolkata. Thank you.
First of all, a very good afternoon present here. My name is Anupma. I stand at class 7. Today a very important topic is crime against women. In the old generation, women various type of crime on her, like sati pratha. In the system of sati pratha, when the man is dead, the other people burn their body wife. The sati pratha, rape cases, and many more. The end of sati pratha movement is Dayanand Saraswati. The many women and many girls and small age of children's rape anytime, anywhere. Example, Dr. Momita in Kolkata, rape cases while working in hospital. Our country Prime Minister is a movement begin Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Atahar Ansari and I am in class 7. Today I want to talk about crime against women. At the present time of the crime against women is the very serious social issues. The crime against women is very happen in all over country, but and some many countries are closed all the limits of the humanity in last few years. The crime rate is gone up very rapidly. The crimes are taking all the places are educated and uneducated. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher, all dear my friend. Good morning. My name is Jans Kumar Mor. I study in class 7th. Today we will deliver topic of crime against women. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Pancham Prakash for Standard 7. Today I give you some information about crime against women. First we talk about how to stop crime against women. Crime against women is a very important thing that we know. Women face very forms of abuse every day and we protect women and create strict laws and rules for respect women, and we must give women the world where we feel safe and self-respectful. That's all. Thank you.
One day she will realize who she is and the game will change. Good morning to everyone present over here. I am Sada Fayaz from grade 7th, standing in front of you all to talk on a very serious topic, which is crime against women. In the ancient India, women were considered very weak. People thought everyone that women are born just to do the household chores and raise the kids. Many injustices and crimes were done to them, such as the child marriage, in which they got married at a very young age, and Sati Pratha, in which the wife was burnt alive after her husband's death along with his body. They were not even allowed to go to school and get educated. In the modern time also, women crimes are happening to women. The example of it is the recent case of Dr. Momita. She was just an innocent soul doing her duty, but she did not get what she deserved. Many women like her are suffering daily with no justice. Even the 5 to 10 years old girls are being raped. To change our country, we have to change our mind and thoughts, and in these types of cases. At last, I would like to say that women are the pillar of our country, and without them, neither our country will survive nor us. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
First of all, good morning to all of you. My name is Chandni Gupta from Standard 7th, and today I am going to deliver a morning speech on the topic of crime against women. In old generation, women get various type of crime to get her. Women are the backbone of our families. Why do such crime with happen in a society? Thank you.
Before starting my speech, I would like to give thanks to give me this higher opportunity. Good morning, everyone. I am Aisha from grade 7, currently studying in CBSE competitive school. Today, I stand for you to share my thoughts on the topic of crime against women. As we all know that how crime increase in our day-to-day life, and we also see that how crime against human. Some people think that the humans are sensitive and they are very weak, and then so he crime on women. But some people say that the child and the girls and the women are safe, but it is not true. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals, and all my dear friends. Myself, Deepa Raj from Standard 7. Today I got a very precious chance to share my thoughts on the topic of crime against women. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to one all present here. I am Juhi from grade 7th and currently study in CBSE competitive school. Today I deliver a short speech on the topic of the crime against women. As we know that in India, crime is increased day by day. And the past generation, people think women are weak. Women cannot do anything. Their work only house chore. At least just that's all. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all present here. This is Jyotik Maya of grade 7 in CBSE competitive school. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of crime against women. As we all know that 224 and 225 have many cases of crime against women. It is not just of 224 and 225. This is all case of early times. That's all for today. Thank you.
Let the light of brand new day's case away in learning shadow. Good morning to the respectable teachers, principals, and non-valuing teaching staffs. Myself is Ansari of grade 7th, and today I got a chance to share my experience on the topic of crime against women. In this time, the crime is very normal resource for the people. People are do crime again and again. We can see there are many crimes in India, as the crime is Kolkata. It's a very sorrowful crime. Dr. Momita. She is very
she is very kind, but the some peoples are crying with him. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all present here. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Khushi Parveen. I am a student of grade 7th in CBSE Competitive School. So today I am very excited, a golden opportunity to share my thought on the topic of crimes against women. Women are the backbone of our families, our communities and our country. Yet every day we hear heartbreaking news about harassment, acid attacks, domestic violence, and even that includes they are attack on humanity and our values. Let us create a world where women are respected, protected, and celebrated. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. This is Kavya from Standard 7th and standing here to talk about a very serious topic, which name is crime against women. As we see in 2024 to 2025, all newses, many newses are against crime against women. I give you example, Dr. Momita. She is from Kolkata and she was very humble doctor. But one day she raped by mans. I can't say always man, but why always man? Yesterday news that we also saw an old woman kicked by her own son in garbage area because she have cancer. When women was not safe in their own country, what we do, where she go. Thank you.